Very good evening. Today I am with Mr. Darshan Vispute. He was part of our recent CSV training. We just got completed today itself, and I wanted to get the immediate and quick reaction from him. So, this interview to get the feedback about the training. Mr. Darshan, good evening and welcome on this interview session. Can you please introduce yourself in detail? Means what you have studied, what are you doing, etc.
Okay. Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
I Darshan Vispute. I completed my BTech in electronics. I completed my BTech in electronics and telecommunications in 2017. Currently, I am working as a execution engineer in Condor Systems Private Limited. I working with GS1 track and trace systems for US FDA, Europe, DGFT, and Russian regulatory guidelines from last more than 3 years.
Okay. Whenever you speak, just speak little bit loudly so the voice will be slightly much more clearer. So you join this training. What are the subjects you learn?
I learn GAMFI, 21 CFR Part 11, Annexure 11, Risk Assessment, Data Integrity, CSV Deliverables, and Cloud Computations.
Okay, great.
Cloud Validations, yes. It's
Yes.
a same thing actually.
Yeah. So that is a very good thing. And is the training value for the money? What do you say?
Yes, exactly, sir. It's a really value for money. I think every professional need to go for forward, looking forward.
Okay. Did you
I
attend
consider
any?
me,
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
yes, sir. Yes.
Did you attended any other CSV training or course earlier during your span of the professional career?
Yeah, I also attend training from IGMPI, which is a Institute of Good Manufacturing Practices in India. Okay, but as compared to that training, I learned from ICS training more, ICS Academy more, because they provide me a good experience with theoretical as well as practical examples
Good. So
and case studies.
you learn theoretical and practical also.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
uh,
sir.
was the training chapters and explanation easy to understand?
Yes, sir. Because of the example-oriented, theoretically and practical examples, so it's very easy to understandable. We can
So
relate with that.
yeah. So can you recall uh, guidelines very easily now when you are going to do
Yes, sir.
validation? Huh? So
Yes, sir.
that is
Yes, sir.
that is that is very important part. What you learned
Yes.
and what you can apply, and you have to work
Yes,
based on
sir.
the risk, novelty, complexity, and a critical thinking. That approach of an auditor, if you involve,
Absolutely,
and
sir.
that we discussed. So I think QSIT part also we discussed. So I think you can do wonderful things. Uh,
Yes,
what
sir.
is your opinion about the trainer and the training course design? Was it going in a proper sequence or what?
Okay, sir. The way you teach, it's very easy to understand. Okay, so we learn a lot compliance trainings, compliance contents from you, and not only training apart from the life, it's also a beautiful session.
Yeah,
So this
because
is very much very much impactful for us.
yeah, motivation.
Yes,
Basically, I can train you guidelines. I can give you bunch of guidelines, but you have to read it, then understand it, and then you should be motivated to implement it, and then continuously improve. That is the goal. It is not only for the systems, Gamify driver. It is for our life also, and you should do real work for patient safety, product quality, and data integrity. Very good. So, can you do validation independently now? If you are asked to do some validation, PLC based systems or
yes, sir.
SCADA based
Yes,
systems. And if the systems are
yes,
complicated, like one system you validated and now it is connected to another systems, what will be focusing on? Slightly
yes,
going
sir.
more technical, what will you focus on then? If there are two systems which is validated, connected to each other, how will it work?
So we need to validate first system validation, then go for another one. We can say that client server system. We need to validate first server system, then go for client system. Yes,
Okay. And there are two independent systems. One is a HPLC kind of a systems and second is a say LIMS. So then how will you validate?
Hello.
One is a HPLC kind of a systems.
Yes, sir.
Hello. And second system is
Yes,
a
sir.
LIMS systems. So LIMS is connected to HPLC instruments. Or you can say that production machine. So production
Yes.
packing line is now connected to a track and trace. So how will you check
Yes.
that?
We have to make a data which is secure from one system to another system, then go for further activity.
Perfect. So
Yes.
both systems are validated and then how the
Yes.
system talk to each other, whether they understand the data or not, and whether there are controls properly or not. So that is a good thing. Would you recommend this training course to any of your friends, partners?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
So this was a good training. It was good to have you also. We wish you all the best, all the success in the life. This team was a small team, 4 people team only. So it was kind of a one-to-one training. And you people are doing very good. We were able to go through many practical examples also. In fact, the training was the longest, I think, 17 days, I think. We started on 8th.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Today is, I think, 25th. But I enjoyed it. I think you also enjoyed it. Wish
We
you all
also
the
enjoyed it.
best.
It's our pleasure, sir, from learn from you.
Okay, wish you all the best and all the success in the life. Keep posting
Yes.
us, keep updating us, and you have to reach to a very high and a senior level. Good luck.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
great
you so
day.
much, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Yes. Bye, sir.